Good morning, my students. Today we are going to start a new lesson which is called milliard. It's a new family, milliard or billion. Okay, so this is unit 1, lesson 3, milliard or billion. So 1 milliard formed from how many digits? I will write for you first 1 milliard. Okay, so it's 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is the units family, and this is the thousands family, and this is the millions family, and this is the new family which is called milliard. Okay, which is called milliard. So 1 milliard formed from how many digits? I will count all my digits: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. It's formed from 10 digits. Okay, so 10 milliard. If I have 10 milliard, okay, so I have another digit here. What about 10 milliard? I will write it for you here. This is 10 and milliard. Okay, million, thousand, and units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's formed from 11 digits. And the 100 milliard, it's formed from 12 digits. Okay, this is the 100 milliard. So I'm going to write the million, I'm going to write the thousand, I'm going to write the units. Okay, so here I want to write it in digits in pounds. So I have 1 milliard. So 1 milliard, it will be 1 and how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the 1 milliard. 1 milliard. Units family, thousands family, millions family, and a new family here, it's called milliard. Okay, so half milliard, it becomes 500 million. 500 million. Okay, I told you before, write the family here, units, thousand, and here is the million, and here is the milliard. Okay, again, quarter, it will be 250 million. 250 million. And what about 3/4? 3/4, it will be 750 million. 750 million. Again, I have 1 milliard. I will write it here in pounds. And what about half milliard? Half milliard, it will be 500 million. You can write it here in digits, or you can write it here like that: 500 million. 500 million. Okay, and what about this number, quarter milliard? You can write it 250 and replace the 6 zeros by word million. Replace it by the word million. And what about 3/4 milliard? I will write it 750 and replace the 6 zeros by word million. Both of them are correct. You can write it here as digits or like that. Okay, let's start to take or to solve the first example. How can I write it in words? How can I write it in words? Okay, this is the units family, and this is the thousands family, and this is the millions family, and this is the milliard family. Okay, I will make it here by capital letter to represent the milliard. So I will write it in words. That means first 7 milliard. I will write it here, 7 milliard, and make a comma. This is the first family. The second family, 102. 102 what? 102 million. So it will be 102 million. 102 million, comma. In the thousands family here, I have 841. So it will be 841. What? The name of the family? Thousand. I will write it here. Thousands. Okay? And 603, the last family. 603. Okay, in the second example, I will divide the families also. This is the units, and this is the thousand, and this is the million, and this is the milliard. Okay, so it will be 85 million, milliard, sorry, 85 5 milliard, comma, 30 million. It will be 30 million. Thank you. 30, okay. 30 million. 4,000, so I will write here 4,000 and 8, the last one in the units family. Again, so I have 85 million, 30 million, 4,000, here is 4,008. This is how can we solve it in words or write it in words. Okay, in the second type of this example, I have to write it in digits. When I have to write it in digits, I will make spaces or dashes. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, and here one only, 1 milliard. So I have only one dash in this family. This is the units family, this is the thousands family, this is the millions family, and this is the milliard. So 1 milliard, so I have to put 1 in the milliards family, 1 only. 20 million in the family or in the millions family, I will write 20. Which spaces? I will write it here, 20, so I don't have 100 million. And 4, I don't have 1,000, okay? So I will replace it all by zeros. And the last digit, I will write it here 4, so I also here, I have to write zeros. So it will be 1 milliard, 20 million, and 4, okay, and 4. The second one is 31 milliard 80,064. I will also make spaces like that, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2. Why 2 in the milliard family? Because I have 31 units, thousand, million, and milliard. So I will write here 31, so it will be 31 milliard and 80,000. I don't have a million, okay? So I will write it here 0. In the thousands family, I will write it 80 in the middle and last. So I have to write here 0 and 64 and 64. Here is 64 and here is 0, okay? So be sure that you make a correct dashes, okay? To put the digit in its correct. Okay, again, so I will write here in digits. If I want to write in digits, I will make a correct dashes, divide the families. Each family consists of 3 dashes because I have unit and tens and hundred. So 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1. The first family here is units family, thousands family, millions family, and milliard. So 1 milliard, so I will write 1 in the milliard place. And 20 million, so I go to the millions family and write 20, okay? So I don't have 100 million here, it will be 20 only. And 4, so I will write 4 in the units family because I don't have a thousands family. But don't delete it all, so you have to write it 0 instead of it, okay? So 1 milliard, 20 million, and 4. The second example, 31 milliard 80,064. So I will make the dashes like that, units family, thousands family, millions family, and milliard, okay? And milliard. Sorry. So I will write here 31 milliard in the milliard place or in the milliard family, I will write 31. Look here, I don't have a millions family, okay? So I will write instead of it 3 zeros. After that, go to the thousands family and write 80. I will go to the thousands family and write 80. I don't have 100,000 here. And the last one is 64. So in the units family, I will write 64 here. And I don't have 100 here. So it will be 31 milliard and 80,064. Thanks for watching me and see you next time.